Hey guys, so I'm gonna walk you through on how to make one of the most iconic soul food dishes thanks to James Heming, who created this when he returned back from studying in France. So I'm gonna show you guys what you're gonna need and let's get into this. The first things first, you're gonna need your milk. I'm using oat. You're gonna need a vegan butter. I'm using Earth Balance. You're gonna need cheese. Now you can make your own cheese, your own cashew cheese, or you can use a vegan cheese. This is my favorite one, BioLife. Then of course, you're gonna need your noodles. Elbow noodles is what was preferred back then, but use what you got. I'm using a chickpea one because I love chickpeas and I need a little bit more protein, so boom. We're over by the stove. I'm gonna add in While we're about to start, I'm gonna add in my pasta. Once done, you're gonna strain. So we're just gonna strain. Okay, so your pasta should look something like this. The shape is so traditional to the classic pasta. I'm actually using these little containers to make mine because single serving. So I'm just going to take some butter and we're gonna take some butter and we're gonna go on the outskirts of this thing. Now we're gonna add our noodle. We're gonna add our cheese. Or was it the butter? I don't know. One of those orders. Gonna take some butter and put it in there. Some cheese. We're gonna put this little guy in the oven you want to broil this. So you want it to be very hot. I'm actually gonna cover it first. So I have this little, I have this little top that goes right on top of this. So we're gonna cover it like so and put this right in the oven. And I'm gonna cook mine for about 5 to 6 minutes, uncover it and put it back. Now it's time to take it out of the oven. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, hear that? Hear that? It's bubbling. Moment of silence. Okay. All right, she's done. So we're gonna give her a taste. She looked real good. So at the end of the video, they took some more butter, put it on top and let it melt. And y'all, season it with some salt. I mean, you salt the water, you season it in between, but a little bit extra. And y'all, look at this. Y'all see that? Listen, Mr. James, sir, you knew what you was doing. Like that look, listen. This right here, thank you. Okay. Mm.